Imagine this. You find the perfect home. It's charming, spacious, and within your budget. It seems like everything you've ever wanted in a home. You're ecstatic. You picture family dinners in the dining room and cozy nights by the fireplace. You can already see the memories you'll create. You buy the house, move in, and then the nightmare begins. What seemed like a dream quickly turns into a distressing reality. Cracks appear in the walls, doors jam shut, the house starts to show signs of serious issues. It's the foundation, and it's crumbling. The very base of your dream home is falling apart. This is not a horror movie plot. This is the harsh reality many unprepared homebuyers face. The stress and anxiety can be overwhelming. The dream becomes a financial and emotional drain. Repair costs skyrocket, and the emotional toll is immense. This story underscores the importance of due diligence in real estate. It's a critical step that should never be overlooked. It's crucial to look beyond the surface. A beautiful exterior can hide many underlying problems. Don't be blinded by gleaming countertops and manicured lawns. These are superficial attractions that can distract you from more serious issues. Investigate the structure, the history, and the neighborhood. Each of these elements can reveal important information about the property's true condition. This is where the expertise of professionals comes in. Their knowledge and experience can be invaluable. A seasoned real estate agent can guide you through the process. They can help you navigate the complexities of buying a home. They can help you ask the right questions and avoid costly mistakes. Their insights can save you from potential pitfalls. They can connect you with reputable home inspectors who will thoroughly assess the property's condition. A detailed inspection can uncover hidden issues. Remember, buying a home is an investment, often the biggest one in your life. It's a decision that requires careful consideration. Don't let the excitement of homeownership cloud your judgment. It's easy to get swept up in the moment, but staying grounded is essential. Be informed, be prepared, and avoid falling victim to a real estate nightmare. Knowledge and preparation are your best defenses against unforeseen issues. Many first-time homebuyers fall into a common trap. They overestimate how much house they can afford, often misjudging their true financial situation. They get caught up in the excitement of purchasing their dream home. They imagine themselves in a spacious home with a gourmet kitchen, envisioning a perfect future. But they often forget about the hidden costs of homeownership that can quickly add up. Property taxes, homeowners insurance, and potential maintenance expenses can add up quickly, creating unexpected financial burdens. These additional costs can put a significant strain on your budget, making it harder to manage monthly expenses. This can lead to difficult financial situations, where you might struggle to keep up with payments. It's crucial to factor in these expenses when planning your home purchase. Don't rely solely on pre-approval amounts from lenders, as they might not reflect your actual financial comfort zone. Create a realistic budget and stick to it, ensuring you account for all potential costs. Consider your long-term financial goals, such as retirement savings and future investments. Factor in potential lifestyle changes, like starting a family or changing jobs, which could impact your financial situation. Remember, just because you qualify for a certain loan amount doesn't mean you can comfortably afford it without stress. It's always better to err on the side of caution and choose a home that fits well within your budget. Choose a property that aligns with your financial capabilities, ensuring you can manage all associated costs. This way, you can enjoy your new home without the constant worry of financial strain, allowing you to truly relish your new space. Skipping the home inspection is like playing Russian roulette with your investment. You might think you're saving time and money, but the risks far outweigh the benefits. It might seem tempting, especially in a competitive market where every second counts and properties are flying off the shelves. But it's a gamble that can cost you dearly in the long run. The stakes are incredibly high, and the consequences can be devastating. A home inspection is more than just a formality. It's a crucial step in the home buying process that can reveal the true condition of the property. It's your chance to uncover any hidden problems that might not be visible to the untrained eye. These issues can range from minor repairs to major structural damage. A qualified home inspector will thoroughly examine the property from top to bottom. They will leave no stone unturned. They will check the foundation, roof, electrical, plumbing, and HVAC systems. Each of these components is vital to the home's overall health and safety. They will identify potential issues that could lead to costly repairs down the line. These findings can be crucial in negotiating the final price or deciding whether to proceed with the purchase. Imagine discovering after moving in that your dream home has a faulty electrical system or a leaky roof. These are not just minor inconveniences. They can be major financial burdens. These repairs can quickly drain your savings and cause significant stress. The financial strain can be overwhelming, turning your dream home into a nightmare. The cost of a home inspection is a small price to pay for peace of mind. It's a wise investment that provides you with a detailed report on the property's condition. It's an investment that can potentially save you thousands in the long run. By identifying issues early, you can avoid unexpected expenses and plan for necessary repairs. Don't let the thrill of buying a home overshadow the importance of a thorough inspection. The excitement of a new home can cloud your judgment, but a home inspection brings clarity. It's better to be safe than sorry. Taking the time for a home inspection is a decision you won't regret. Home staging is an art. It's designed to make a property look its best, but don't let clever staging cloud your judgment. Fresh paint, stylish furniture, and strategically placed candles can easily mask underlying issues. It's crucial to look beyond the superficial charm. Focus on the bones of the house. Inspect the walls for cracks or water damage. Check the floors for unevenness, which could indicate foundation problems. Pay attention to musty odors, which could be a sign of mold. Remember, you're not buying the furniture or the decor. You're buying the house itself. Don't hesitate to look beyond the staging. Open cabinets, closets, and storage spaces. Ask questions about anything that seems amiss. A home doesn't exist in isolation. It's part of a larger community. Ignoring red flags in the neighborhood can lead to regrets later. Take the time to explore the area at different times of day. Drive or walk around. Talk to residents and get a feel for the neighborhood's vibe. Pay attention to noise levels, traffic congestion, and overall safety. Research crime rates and school districts. Look for signs of neglect or disrepair in the surrounding properties. These could be indicators of a declining neighborhood. A neighborhood's condition can significantly impact your quality of life and your property's value. Don't underestimate the importance of choosing the right neighborhood. Bidding wars can be exhilarating and stressful. The fear of missing out can cloud your judgment. You might find yourself offering more than you can afford. It's crucial to set a firm budget before entering a bidding war. Determine your absolute maximum price. Don't let emotions dictate your decisions. Stick to your budget, even if it means losing out on the property. Remember, there will always be other houses. Overpaying in the heat of the moment can lead to financial strain and regret later. Keep in mind that a house is an investment. Approach the bidding process with a clear head and a realistic perspective. Section 7. The Fine Print Trap. Understanding the contract. The purchase agreement is a legally binding document. It outlines the terms of the sale. Failing to understand the fine print can have serious consequences. Don't just skim through it. Take the time to read and understand every clause. If anything is unclear, ask your real estate agent or lawyer for clarification. Pay close attention to contingencies. These are conditions that must be met for the sale to go through. This could include financing, appraisal, or inspection contingencies. Make sure you're comfortable with all the terms and conditions. Don't be afraid to negotiate changes that better protect your interests. Remember, once you sign the contract, you're obligated to fulfill its terms. Section 8. The importance of due diligence. Researching the property and location. Due diligence is crucial when buying a home. Don't rely solely on the information provided by the seller or their agent. Conduct your research on the property and its location. Obtain a copy of the property's title report. Check for any liens, easements, or other encumbrances. Research the property's history of permits and renovations. Look up the property's value history and recent comparable sales in the area. Investigate the local zoning regulations. This will give you insights into potential development plans that could affect the neighborhood. Section 9. The Power of Professionals. Why you need a real estate agent and lawyer. Navigating the real estate market can be complex. Don't try to do it alone. Enlist the help of experienced professionals. A skilled real estate agent will guide you through the process. They will help you find properties that meet your needs. They will negotiate on your behalf to secure the best possible price and terms. A real estate lawyer can review contracts, identify potential legal issues, and protect your interests. They can provide valuable advice and ensure a smooth closing process. These professionals can save you time, money, and potential headaches. Their expertise is invaluable in making informed decisions. Section 10. Buying with confidence. Navigating the real estate jungle. Buying a home is a significant financial investment. It's both exciting and daunting at the same time. By following these tips, you can navigate the real estate jungle with confidence. Remember to do your research thoroughly. Don't rush the process. Seek professional guidance. Ask questions and be assertive in protecting your interests. Buying a home should be a rewarding and fulfilling experience. By avoiding common pitfalls and making informed decisions, you can turn your dream of homeownership into a happy reality.